As part of corporate social responsibility, the Jospong group of companies has donated food items, which include 100 bags of rice, 10 boxes of cooking oil, and an undisclosed amount of money to the National Chief Imam, Sheikh Dr. Usman Sharubutu, at his residence. The Acting Director of Communications and Corporate Affairs, Sir Daniel Ohene, presenting the item, says there has been a long-standing relationship between the group and the Office of the National Chief Imam, while taking the opportunity to address the media.
On behalf of the Executive Chairman of the Jospong Group of Companies, we are here to join our grandfather, the Chief Imam, in celebrating the Eid al-Fitr. The Executive Chairman also would like to express his appreciation to our grandfather, the Chief Imam, for the tremendous support he has given the Jospong Group over the years.
Groups of companies
we thank Allah for his life and how he has also impacted the nation as well. So today we are here as a company to celebrate with him and also make some donation to him as well. So we came with 100 bags of rice, assorted drinks and oil, and an undisclosed amount of money to wish him well, and also to wish our Muslim brothers and sisters well as well. It is our humble prayer that Allah will continue to grant us our request as we have put before him.
The spokesperson to the National Chief Imam, Sheikh Armiyaw Shaib, thanks the Jospong Group for their benevolence and said that this donation will go on for onward distribution to the needy families.
To begin on a sound of appreciation, on a note of appreciation and gratitude to the Jospong groups for this donation, which in his view has become an annual ritual. On such occasions, during the month of Ramadan and during celebration, the Jospong groups have been showing some love to the Chief Imam, and he's so grateful to the company, the courtesies and the support that they offer him. He has indicated that this donation has come at the most auspicious time when we are preparing to celebrate the Eid al-Fitr, and very many poor people will come to him to seek for what they will use in breaking their fast and also for the celebration. And so this brings him so much relief, at least strengthening his hand to be able to reach out to many of the deprived of the society, to be able to also partake in this celebration with joy and happiness.
As usual of the National Chief Imam, he takes the opportunity to pray for sustenance for the Jospong Group of Companies.
May Allah elevate you. May Allah help you. May Allah protect you. And may Allah honor you. All your endeavors and affairs, those that are hidden and those that are manifest, may God pour his blessings on them. Wherever you direct your affairs, may God bless those steps. May God elevate you. Amen. 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 Fatiha. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. May God protect you. May God protect our land. All other nations around the world, may God grant them protection. We are praying for people of Boko. May God bring them peace and harmony. لإلاف قريش إلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف. سبحان ربك. ما له وسيل. شو قبل الناس كما أما يعدوا. It's a special prayer to the CEO of the Jospong Group of Companies. Special attention given to him by word of prayer. That may God grant him his blessings and protection. May God help him. May God elevate him. May God honor him. Wherever he directs his affairs, may God direct his steps and bless his steps. All his endeavors and affairs, those that are hidden and they are manifest, may God bless it. إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفره إنه كان توابا. We still pray for our land Ghana. May God bless our land Ghana. May God protect our land. May God order our affairs as a nation. إذا جاء بسم الله إذا جاء نصر الله ورأيت الناس. Ana ko da yake ɗan jaridar duka sun taru nan ko kai wani ɗan nasiha kaɗan Aisha ta ci lafiya ko ɗan nasiha kaɗan. Chief Imam wants to take advantage of this gathering, especially where all the media is here, give a little message for the Eid al-Fitr. And so he begins by saying that we are grateful to the Almighty Allah and who has granted us peace and harmony in our country. We, followers of different religions, are able to live in harmony and peace. This is a grace and favor God has done to us. And that is how God has indicated in the Holy Quran. Allah has indicated in the Holy Quran that He created you from two human progenitors, Adam and Eve. And then made you also into races and tribes. That God did diversity. And He is explaining succinctly why He has made us in this diversity. He did so that you can acknowledge each other in the context of your diverse identities. So you will know each other and be supportive to each other. It is not for conflict, for war. No, it is not. The diversity should not give rise to conflict and war, but rather make you identify and acknowledge each other so that you become helpers of each other. Because we trace our origin to a common source. This particular text, if we can really reflect and apply them, we shall see no conflict or war among religious people. It is God who called. He said, "Oh, you mankind, we have created you, from Adam and Eve. And we made you into larger tribes and smaller tribes, meaning races and tribes." It's why that kind of diversity? The answer was given by God Himself in the Quran. So that you will know each other, acknowledge each other, and then be helpers of each other. Not because you should be in perpetual conflict. The most honorable amongst you in the sight of God, the one who takes care of God's laws in his life. That's the one who has honor in the sight of God. Even in this world and in the hereafter, he's the one with the most superior ranking in the sight of God. In this world and in the hereafter. The one who now takes care of God's laws in his life. This particular text, it has come in the Holy Quran. If the people of the world do understand and apply the words of this text, we should see no war in the world.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.